What's guys, welcome back to Josh Davis with Stavio Unboxing. JET2.com 737-800 in the silver or house livery as it is called. So we're going to take a look now around the box first. We have the Skymarks, but technically it's Premier Planes, but you know, JET2 titles and also the tail fin design. Although, and so if you look at the bottom here, I don't know. Oh, they are different to TUI. And so obviously you've got all like licensing and stuff, and then on the back is the assembly. Very sad that it's a 757. If no one's picked that up, then you should really notice, because you can tell by the engines and also the information. So just going to use the pull tab here and then pull out. So we have the body as well as the wings, fuselage and whatnot, and the stand. So it's gonna, I did attempt to open this before, by the way. So here we have the nice silver premium feel stand to this model. So it's got to retrieve the body out of the plane. Oh. So, I didn't know that did that. So, I don't know what channel this is going out on, so it'll be a mystery. So first we need to assemble the correct way, which I know the person behind the camera does not do the correct way. So, we put the silver livery on. The rear stabilizers and stuff on, and then you just find the hole to insert the wings. So you will start seeing this in Josh Davis airport updates, which I do need to film, but I do not have an airport anymore, so I need to get one first. So there is the model. So taking a look then now, we have the fantastic JET2 titles here on the plane, and then we've got the R1 door, and then obviously the main body of the fuselage and the printing and the oval and the exit wing printing is not on this one. Then you've got the friendly low fares title, and then the R2 door. Yeah, and also the JET2 unsplit skimitars over JET2.com on it. So if then we just flip the model around, then it's obviously the same on the, this is the side you're more familiar with because it's the boarding side. So it's very similar, so it's a nice model. It'll get a 9.5 out of 10. Only joking, it'll be a 10 out of 10 for this. Also, it comes with the nice silver stand, so, and it's not as boring as the white ones. And so that's it for this. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Will you run there again and we'll get a picture with you in the land?
Spot.